Here we are in Tractor Supply with Connie. We try to come out of the farm 2 or 3 times a week. Not because I want to, but because the dogs need socializing. So we go to Tractor Supply, Lowe's. Those are our local ones. You can also go to Home Depot. And most of the thrift stores allow you to as well. And then we work on our tricks while we're in here. Connie, sit. Sit. And Connie's been too preoccupied with all the noises, but we'll try some. Pretty. Come on, pretty. Well, she reached. I'll give it to her. Oh, I'm out of focus. There we go. Okay, lie down. No, lie down. Yes. Good, Connie. Bang. Come on, girl. Bang. Bang. Oh, that's a good girl. And bangs always get belly rubs. Okay. Bear, can you sit? Oh, no. Bear, sit. Yes. Oh, what a good girl. Good girl. Can you be pretty? Come pretty. Pretty. Bear, pretty. All the way. All the way. Come on, Bear. Okay, sit. We'll try again. Good. Now, pretty. Come on. Bear. Come on, pretty. Yes. Oh, I'll take it. I'll take that. Good girl. All right. Sit down. Sit. Good. Paw. Yes, paw. All right. You want to shake? What a good girl. Who's a good girl, Bear? All right, you have all your treats. Bear likes Tractor Supply too. They've all been coming since they were babies. That way that they were accustomed to lots of people and other dogs and noises. Right, who's a good girl? Give me your paw. Paw? No, paw. Paw. Yes. Good girl. And here's Hank. Hank is sitting. Good. Stay there. Lie down. Oh, darn it. I dropped it. Okay, starting over. Sit. Lie down. All right. Good boy. And bang. Hank, bang. No. Bang. Do it. Do it. Yes. He banged. Good boy. Okay, you're free. Okay. Hank does a good boy. Stay. Pretty? Good. Oh, I can't show it, but he did pretty. Okay, Hank, say bye to your people. Ooh, paw.